Okay, so welcome back. What we will have to study today is the Cartesian coordinate system or the Cartesian coordinate plane. Ano nga ba yung Cartesian coordinate plane? It is simply the graphical form na makikita natin. It is designated by x and y coordinates. So, tinatawag din siya minsan na Cartesian coordinate plane. So, paano nga ba natin siya gagamitin? If we see 2 points, halimbawa 0 and 1, what does it mean? So, it only means that it is always denoted by the x and y. X and y. Okay? So, the first is the x and the second one is the y. So, paano nga ba natin siya gamitin? It is simply, we have to, all of the points going upward will be positive, going downward is negative, rightward is negative, and leftward is positive, and leftward is negative. So, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ito is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. This one is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, and negative 5. So, how will we plot this in Cartesian coordinate plane? So, first, 0. So, x natin, this is our x-axis and the y-axis. So, x, 0. So, nasa gitna daw siya. And then, 1, tataas lang tayo. So, this is our coordinates 0 and 1. And then, we have 3 and 2. How can we plot this one? So, 3 is our x, and then 2 is our y. So, x, 3, from 0, this is the 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, and then we will go upward by 2. So, 1, 2, this is our point 3 and 2. Okay? That is how we plot in our Cartesian coordinate plane. So, ano pa, what will we have to learn here more is we designate this as the quadrant 1, the quadrant 2, the quadrant 3, and the quadrant 4. Okay? So for you to easily remember it, always remember that this is our starting point, just like in our angle. So 0 and then 90. Okay? It will be count in a counterclockwise formation. Okay? So let me give you an example. How if we have 2x plus 3. This is, since it is only x and the variable is x and y, and its exponent, degree of exponent is only 1. So, we know that it is a line. Okay? So, how will we plot it? If we have given the equation, if we have given the value of x that 2, 1, 0, negative 1, and 2. This is the value of our x. So, how will we know the value of our y? You will just simply substitute the value of x given in this equation. So, if x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2 times 2 plus 3, y is equal to 5, and then, if the value of x is 1, 2 times 1 plus 3, the value of our n is 5, wrong. So, this 4, 7. So, we just have to substitute the value of x in this equation. So, 2, if it's 2, 7, 5, if the value of x is 0, 2 times 0 is 0, plus 3, so 3. And then, sa negative x, negative 2 plus 3, so 1. And then negative 2 times 2 is negative 4 plus 1. So, plus 3, so negative 1. So, how will we plot this? This is our x and y coordinates. So, first, let's plot the 2 and 7. So, 2 and then 7. 1, 2. 2 and 7, and then 1 and 5. X natin is 1, so x, 1, 5 here. And then 0 and 3. So 0 and 3. And then, negative 1 and 1, negative 1, tapos pataas. And then, negative 2 and negative 1. So, negative 2 sa x-axis natin, negative. Sa y-axis natin, negative 1. So, negative 1, negative 2, and then down 1. And then, we just have to trace the dots or the given points. And this is our line in our Cartesian coordinate plane. Okay? That is the only thing we need to remember in this Cartesian coordinate system, how to plot it in a graph. So the x and y. So sometimes x is called abscissa and y is ordinate. So hope may natutunan kayo sa topic na to. It is very useful in the next topics. So let's just simply plot how to plot a point in a Cartesian coordinate plane, okay?